We get asked all the time, how long should microlearning be? It really should be as long as your learner's attention span is. This could be a video, a PDF, a Rise Articulate project, whatever it is. When you're looking at microlearning, you're looking at 10 minutes or less. You want to make sure you're only talking about one topic in a video, and you want the content to be searchable retrospectively for your learners. Now, how many of you are on social media? Now think about how much time you spend engaging with pieces of content that you see on your social media site. How long you spend reading news articles. What people have started to do is even at the top of blog posts, top of news articles, write how long the read is. A lot of this stuff came to be because learners want to know how long of the e-learning module they're getting themselves into. And all the data shows that 10 minutes or less is what learners want. There are some stipulations though. Now, if you are teaching an extremely technical topic, maybe it's cybersecurity, if it's extremely important that all that content is in one piece of learning, then you can throw the 10-minute or less out the window and really lean on the attention span-based piece. You should really try to keep to 30 minutes or less. Put yourself in your learner's shoes. How much does your learner really want to sit through? Now, YouTube actually used as a metric for your YouTube videos to be successful, watch time. So if you put out a 1-minute video on YouTube, the watch time, the best you can get is 1 minute. But if you put out a 25-minute video and they watch 10 to 15 minutes, you just got 10 to 15 minutes watch time. That's longer than the 1 minute. So really, you got to cater to the technology that you're releasing content on. Also, look at TikTok. TikTok only allows you to put out content that is so long. So while the most important thing is attention span based for your learners, and our advice to you is 10 minutes or less. And if it's a technical topic, 30 minutes or less is fine. The technology you're using may only allow you to do a certain length. So make sure you're keeping track of that as well.
Figure all that out and more. Sign up for our free masterclass below. It's going to help you develop and launch a course in 90 days or less and save a bunch of money in the process.
Thank you for the likes and subscribe.